How to send an email for beginners. Sending an email is one of the easiest and most effective ways to communicate. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to choose an email service, whether you want to use Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo Mail. If you don't have an email account, first you want to create one by visiting the website of your chosen service and follow the account creation steps. Once you have created your account, now you have to log into your account. So in this video, we will see how we can send an email through the Gmail application. So for that, open up Gmail. And next step is to log into your account. Enter your Gmail address and enter your password, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, if you navigate at the bottom right corner in this inbox space, there you will have compose button, tap on it. Now you have to fill in the email details. So in the to field, you have to type the recipient's email address. So here you have to type in the email address of that account. Whom do you want to send the email to? If you want to send the email to multiple people, you have to separate the addresses with commas. After that, under the subject field, you have to enter the purpose of your email. For example, that may be your meeting agenda or question about your product. So type in the subject right here. Now, heading towards the body section, here you have to type in the text message or the message that you want to send via email. You can simply say, "Thank you for taking the time to meet with me. I have attached the requested document for your instance," and or any other subject field that you are sending the email to. So regarding your subject, you have to type in the message in this body section. After that, if you want to attach any file, there you will find the paperclip icon at the top right. Tap on it. Now you have to choose the file that you want to attach from your mobile device. If you want to send photos, tap on photos, or if you want to take a picture, go to camera, or if you have any files or it is in your drive, you have to choose one from here. Once that, now before you send, you have to double check the recipient email address, subject line and message content and any other attached files. Once you have reviewed or rechecked your email, now you can simply tap on the send icon at the top right, which is just like small arrow icon. Tap on it. And with that, you have sent the email to the recipient email address. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.